You booked the cruise of your dreams. The price looked perfect, but then the final bill hits, and it's hundreds, sometimes thousands more than you expected. Sounds familiar, right? Here's the truth. Cruise lines are counting on you to miss the fine print. They've turned hidden fees into an art form, and most passengers walk right into it. But that's not going to be you, not after this. Because today, I'm exposing the 15 sneaky charges, surprise fees, and budget traps cruise lines hope you'll ignore, and showing you exactly how to outsmart them. These aren't vague tips. They're the same money-saving hacks I've used across 30-plus cruises that can save you hundreds before your next sailing. I've helped thousands of cruisers avoid these traps, and now it's your turn. Stay with me to the end, because the last few tips are the ones cruise lines really don't want you to know. Let's make sure your next cruise ends in joy, not bill shock. Reason number 1, underestimating daily gratuities. The first common culprit is underestimating daily gratuities. While typically mentioned in the fine print, many cruisers forget these mandatory daily charges, usually $16 to $18 per person per day, quickly add up. For a 7-day cruise for 2, that's over $200 right off the bat, before you even buy a single drink. As a seasoned cruiser, I always factor gratuities into my upfront cruise budget. You can usually prepay your gratuities before you sail, which means it's already handled and doesn't hit your onboard account. It's a fantastic way to spread out the cost and avoid a sticker shock at the end of your trip. Plus, it ensures the hardworking crew gets their well-deserved recognition. Reason number 2, not factoring in port taxes and fees. This is a big one, not factoring in port taxes and fees. The advertised cruise fare often looks low, but it usually doesn't include the non-commissionable port charges, government taxes, and various regulatory fees. These can add hundreds of dollars per person and are unavoidable. Always look for the total price when comparing cruises, not just the base fare. Online booking engines will show you the full breakdown before final payment. When I'm budgeting, I add about 15 to 25% to the initial per-person price just for these fees, depending on the itinerary. Don't just look at the headline number. Reason number 3, falling for the specialty restaurant trap. While delicious, many cruisers fall for the specialty restaurant trap. The main dining rooms and buffets are included, but those tempting steakhouses, Italian trattorias, or sushi bars come with an extra per-person charge or a la carte pricing. A few fancy dinners can easily add $50 to $100 per person to your bill per meal. Plan ahead. I always look at the specialty restaurant menus and prices online before I sail. Then, I pick just 1 or 2 that are truly special to me for the entire trip. Another trick? Go for lunch at some specialty restaurants if available. They often offer a less expensive menu with the same high-quality food. And always check for any free meals included with your loyalty status or booking promotions. Reason number 4, unexpected Wi-Fi charges. Here's a common shocker, unexpected Wi-Fi charges. Internet access on ships is not free and can be incredibly expensive, often priced by the minute, megabyte, or expensive daily packages. A few quick social media checks can suddenly turn into a triple-digit bill. Be strategic with your connectivity. First, download the ship's app before you sail. Many allow free messaging between passengers and access to onboard schedules without needing to purchase an internet package. Second, plan your connect time. I often buy the cheapest, most basic Wi-Fi package and set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes a day to check emails or send messages. Better yet, wait until you're in port to connect to free Wi-Fi at cafes or terminals, but always use a VPN for security. Reason number 5, bottled water and soda overspending. This one seems small, but it adds up fast. Bottled water and soda overspending. While tap water, basic coffee, and tea are free, paying for every bottled water, soda, or premium juice can inflate your bill dramatically. Bring your own. Most cruise lines allow you to bring a 12-pack of non-alcoholic beverages, soda, juice boxes, on board for your cabin. Also, always carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up at the free water stations in the buffet or gym. At dinner in the main dining room, always ask for complimentary pitchers of filtered water for the table instead of buying bottled. Reason number 6, paying for shore excursions through the ship. Many cruisers get hit by paying for all their shore excursions directly through the ship. While convenient, These are almost always more expensive than booking independently or finding local tour operators, and they can inflate your final bill by hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Do your homework. For most mainstream ports, I recommend researching independent tour operators online before you sail. Read reviews and compare prices. For simple port visits, you can often just walk off the ship and explore on your own using local taxis, public transport, or simply walking, saving you a fortune. Just ensure you're back at the ship well before all aboard time. And by the way, number 12 is the one that fooled even me on my 5th cruise. Don't miss it. Reason number 7, the Casino Fun Fund. This one is a notorious budget buster, the Casino Fun Fund. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but those slot machines and table games are designed to make you spend more than you intended. What starts as a small amount quickly escalates, leading to a much higher final bill. Set a strict casino budget and stick to it. I always bring a set amount of cash specifically for the casino and leave my sail and sign card in the cabin. Once that cash is gone, I'm done. Treat it as pure entertainment, not a money-making venture. And never, ever chase your losses. Reason number 8, souvenir overload, especially in port. It's easy to get carried away with souvenir overload, especially in port. Those unique trinkets, local crafts, and duty-free temptations can quickly add up, often purchased without thinking about the overall budget. You arrive home with a suitcase full of impulse buys and a deflated wallet. Give yourself a souvenir allowance. Before I even step off the ship, I decide how much I'm willing to spend on souvenirs for that specific port or the entire trip. I also prioritize experiences over objects. Instead of another trinket, I'll pay for a unique local meal, a special activity, or a memorable photo. Memories last longer than magnets. Reason number 9, spa and salon indulgences. The serene spa and salon services are incredibly tempting, but are a major source of unexpected charges. Spa treatments, salon appointments, and even fitness classes come with a hefty price tag that often isn't part of your initial cruise package, easily adding hundreds to your bill. Check for port day specials. Spas often offer discounts on treatments when the ship is in port, as most people are ashore. Also, look for complimentary gym classes or free spa tours. Sometimes these tours include access to the thermal suite or hydrotherapy pools for a short period, giving you a taste of the luxury without the full cost. Plan your pampering strategically. Reason number 10, ignoring the fun times for free activities. This is a subtle trap, ignoring the daily fun times or equivalent daily planner for free activities. Cruise lines offer an incredible array of included entertainment, games, lectures, and shows. If you're constantly spending on alternative activities like bingo, arcade games, or paid classes, you're missing out on free fun you've already paid for. Read your daily planner religiously. Every evening, I sit down with the next day's fun times and highlight all the free activities that interest me. I try to fill my schedule with trivia, game shows, live music, and deck parties. It ensures I'm maximizing my cruise value and keeps my spending on non-essentials to a minimum. Reason number 11, automatic photo package temptation. Those professional photos taken around the ship and at gangways are lovely, but the automatic photo package temptation is real. You might pose for dozens of shots throughout the cruise, and then at the end, the price for the full package can be hundreds of dollars, far more than you anticipated for a few photos. Be selective. Don't feel obligated to buy the entire package. I only pick out my absolute favorite single prints if I really want a physical copy or specific digital files. Often, you can buy individual digital photos without committing to a full album. And always take plenty of your own photos with your phone or camera. They're free. Reason number 12, the all-you-can-drink package illusion. This is a big one that often leads to sticker shock, the all-you-can-drink package illusion. While they seem like a great deal up front, they are only cost-effective if you consume a significant number of alcoholic and non-alcoholic premium drinks every single day. Many cruisers purchase them and then don't drink enough to break even, ending up paying more than they would have a la carte. Do the math. Before you sail, actually calculate how many drinks you typically consume in a day, including sodas, specialty coffees, and alcoholic beverages, and multiply that by the a la carte prices. Compare that to the daily beverage package cost. Often, for light to moderate drinkers, it's cheaper to pay as you go. For me, if I don't drink 5 to 7 premium drinks a day, the package isn't worth it. Don't fall for the FOMO. Reason number 13. Arcade and casino credit for kids. This one can silently drain your budget. Arcade and casino credits for kids, or even adults who play casually. Modern arcades on cruise ships use loaded cards, and it's easy to swipe away tens or even hundreds of dollars without realizing how quickly the credits are depleting. This fun money isn't often tracked like other purchases. Set a strict, prepaid arcade budget. Instead of letting kids, or yourself, charge directly to the sale and sign card, go to the arcade redemption center and load a specific, limited amount of cash onto an arcade card. Once it's empty, the fun is over. This teaches valuable budgeting skills and prevents those surprise charges from snowballing. Reason number 14. Paying for medical services on board. This is a hidden cost no one wants to think about. Paying for medical services on board. While cruise ships have medical facilities, any consultation, medication, or treatment received from the ship's doctor or nurse will be charged directly to your onboard account. These costs can be substantial, especially for more complex issues. Invest in travel insurance. This is hands down the best fix. Travel insurance can cover not only medical emergencies on board, but also emergency evacuation, trip interruption, and lost luggage. Before you sail, review your existing health insurance to see if it covers international travel and cruise ship medical facilities. Most standard plans do not. A small investment in travel insurance can save you thousands if an unexpected illness or injury occurs. Reason number 15. Duty-free shop impulse buys. Those glistening duty-free shops on the ship are designed to tempt you, and their impulse buys can lead to a bigger bill than expected. From jewelry to perfumes, liquor, and branded apparel, the duty-free label often makes us forget to compare prices or truly assess if we need the item. Research before you splurge. Before you get swept up in the onboard shopping frenzy, know the prices of items you might be interested in back home. Compare the duty-free price to online retailers. Often, the savings aren't as significant as they seem, or you can find a better deal elsewhere. I also tell myself, if I haven't researched it, I'm probably not buying it. Focus on unique port souvenirs instead. There you have it. Why your cruise bill is always higher than you expected, and how to fix it. By understanding these common pitfalls and applying these 15 insider tips, you're not just booking a cruise, you're taking control of your vacation budget. No more nasty surprises, just smooth sailing and a happy wallet. Ready to slash your next cruise bill? Hit like if these tips gave you the power to save, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more honest advice and essential strategies for making the most of your time at sea. What's your best trick for keeping your onboard spending in check? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.